Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your LED lights rainbow wave. First, locate your LED strips controller. Many modern LED kits come with a remote control or a dedicated smartphone application. This is where you'll find the settings to activate various lighting modes. Make sure your LED strip is properly connected and powered on before proceeding to the next step. We'll cover the common methods for activating this vibrant display. If you have a physical remote, look for buttons labeled Mode, Effect, or similar. Pressing this button will typically cycle through different pre-programmed lighting patterns. Keep pressing until you see the dynamic rainbow wave effect. Once activated, you can often fine-tune the speed of the wave and the overall brightness using other buttons, usually marked with arrows or plus and minus symbols. It's a quick way to transform your space. For those using a mobile app, open it and ensure your LED strip is connected via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Look for a section often called Scenes, Effects, or Modes within the app interface. Here, you'll find a list of available lighting patterns, including the rainbow wave. Tap to select it, then explore options to adjust the wave's speed, direction, and even specific color palettes. Apps often offer more granular control. To truly enhance your rainbow wave effect, consider the placement of your LED strips. Reflecting the light off a wall or ceiling can create a more immersive experience. Also, adding a diffuser can help blend the colors more smoothly, preventing harsh individual light points. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your vibrant new lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.